Hi gals! Today I'm gonna show you how to do this sweet and elegant makeup look. First, I applied a toner and a moisturizer all over my face. I shaped my eyebrows with a brow soap and an eyebrow gel. On my lid, I used an orange-brown eyeshadow as base. I brushed over the edges to let the eyeshadow blend with my skin. After that, I took a dark gray eyeshadow and applied it on the outer corner of my eyes. I added more dark shadows up to my crease to give my eyes a lifting effect. Again, I brushed over the edges to let both eyeshadows blend with my skin. Now it's time to apply the foundation. I chose the one that is very close to my skin tone. I spread the foundation all over my skin by patting it using a wet disposable sponge. Next, I used a concealer that is 3 times lighter than my skin tone as a highlighter under my eyes, on my nose bridge, chin, and forehead. I didn't put so much under my eyes because I want to prevent them from being cakey. Then again, I blended them well using a wet sponge. After that is baking time. I used the translucent powder from Laura Mercier on top of the concealer for a flawless look. On my upper lash area, I added a black line and a wingtip to give my eyes a lifting effect. And I brushed through the powder all over my face, making it look smooth and flawless. Now to add contour, I used a dark cream foundation on my nose bridge. And I also applied some on the hollow of my cheeks, hairline, and below my chin. I added a V-line on the bowl of my nose to make it look pointy. To make my rectangular face look shorter, I contoured my hairline and I added contour down on my cheeks. I blended the contour upward, still using the wet sponge. Then to add more depth to the contour, I used the powder contour palette and brushed through my nose bridge again, the hollow of my cheeks, on my hairline, and down below my chin. Just above the contour, I apply the blush in peach. And then a highlighter on the tip of my nose, on the cupid's bow, and just above the blush. I use a very subtle highlighter because I don't want it to look too flashy. Using the same highlighter, I gave my eyebrows a lifted effect. Finish off this makeup look, I'm brushing my lips with this matte cream lipstick. Setting my makeup with this MAC setting spray. And to finish this look, of course, I need to add volume to my hair, brush it a little bit, and that's it. I hope you guys like this makeup look, and if you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.